How to use the single head embroidery machine to embroider on shoes. Firstly, we need to prepare the things we need ready. The shoes and the shoes device. And then we will fix the shoes device on the machine. We will fix the shoes device on the machine. Adjust the frame to make it in a proper position to fix the shoes device. And the shoes device should be connected to the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th gap. And then fix the 2 screws to connect the shoes device with the machine. After we fix the shoes device well on the machine, we fix the shoes on the shoes device. Firstly, we open the connects of the shoes device and then put the shoes on the shoes device and then close the connects. After we make everything ready, we come to the computer operation. Firstly, we choose the design we want to embroider. And then check whether you need to change the direction or change the size of the design. And go to the 3rd step. Choose color. Choose the color of the design and then make the machine into embroidery condition. And then check border to see where the design will be embroidered on the shoes. If the design is not in the right position, you can adjust the position by the buttons. Adjust the design position by these buttons. And when you use shoes device to embroider on shoes, there is no need to choose frame. No need to choose frame. Don't choose any frame. And then after you adjust the position well, check border and see whether the design is inside the frame. After you check border and make sure the design is inside the frame and at the right position you want to embroider, we can exit this page and press Start button to make the machine start embroidery. This machine is automatically and it will finish the design and then the machine will stop. After the machine finish embroidery, it will stop automatically. And then we open the clicks and take off the shoes. And then we get a ready embroidered shoes.